How to open a gate.io account. Hello everyone. Today, I'll guide you through the detailed steps to open a gate.io account, one of the world's leading exchanges, so you can start your journey of cryptocurrency investing and trading today. To open an account and get attractive offers from gate.io, visit coinaz.net/gate. Or you can click on the link in the description of this video to open a gate.io account. Let's get started. This is the gate.io registration page interface. You can open a gate.io account using your email or phone number. I'll use email. Enter your email address here. After that, click here to accept the user agreement and privacy policy. Click on this box. Please slide to complete the puzzle. Gate.io has sent a verification code to your email. Please check your email. This is the email gate.io sent me. If you don't see the email in your inbox, click More. And check your spam folder. Now, I'll open the gate.io email. This is the verification code. Please copy it. Enter or paste the copied code here. Next, you need to set up a password for your account. Please note that the password must be at least 8 characters long and include at least one uppercase letter, one number, and one special character. I will give you an example on the screen for your reference. Click Confirm. The next step is to complete identity verification. Click Verify Now. Click Verify Now. Here, you need to provide basic information, including residence, nationality, ID type, full name and document ID. For type of ID document, you can select ID card, passport, or driver's license. I'll choose ID card. For document ID, I will enter my citizen ID card number. When you're done, click Next. Your basic verification information has been submitted. Next, we'll move on to ID card verification and face recognition. You can take pictures with camera or scan code with Gate app. I will take pictures with camera. Click Next. Click here to agree. Click Start. Click Allow to use the camera. Please place your document within the frame for verification. Next, you need to face verification. Click Continue. Please place your face within the frame and follow the instructions from gate.io on the screen. The identity verification process is now complete. You'll receive the result via email once it has been reviewed. After successful identity verification, you can deposit and withdraw funds. Now, I'll show you how to secure your account. Click Security. Here, there are several different authentication methods for you to choose from. I'll choose Google Authentication. Click Turn On. These are the 3 steps to complete the Google account authentication process. The first step is to install Google Authenticator on your smartphone. Now I'll perform the steps on my phone. In the search bar, type Google Authenticator. This is the app you need to download. Click on this icon. Click Open. Click Get Started. Choose the Google account you want to link. Then click Continue. The second step is to add authenticator code. Click Add a code. You can scan a QR code or enter a setup key. I'll choose Scan a QR code. Click Allow to let Authenticator use your camera and start scanning the code. This is the Google Authenticator code. Now, go back to the gate.io website on your computer. Click Send to receive the email verification code. Please slide to complete the puzzle. Gate.io has sent a verification code to your email. Please go to your email to get the code and enter it here. Finally, enter the Google Authenticator code here. Then, click Confirm. My Google authentication process has been successful. So, I have finished guiding you through how to open a Gate.io account. Goodbye and see you all in the next videos.